unboxing the Grinch meal at McDonald's. By the way, it's out. Get it now. This is a pretty good design, but I'll open it in the car. Just got in the car, time to open it. Oh, wow. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna wait for the toy at the end. Okay, now I am done with my food. Now I'm going to see what socks I got. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, and I am also gonna record my sister's reaction when she sees it.
Am I in it? Okay, so we're gonna add the Grinch salt to the Grinch shaker fries. Just add the salt to the bag. I'm just gonna add some fries because I don't know how it's gonna taste.
Keep it a surprise for how it's gonna taste.
Fries everywhere. Dig it. Oh, it looks.
See how it looks. See how it looks, chat.
Oh my goodness.
I know that the camera could barely see.
Kind of powdery.
Time to see my sister's reaction. Hey,
Hey.
Izzy, we got you something.
Hello. Yes! Yes!
There's even socks.